So we are going to camp here. There's a nice view. There's a really nice spot for a tent. I mean, this is a great little spot here. Little spot for an oven to protect from the wind. Little table. This is a nice spot. Yeah. Peaceful. We're here at South Lake, and we got the fly set out and the tent set out to dry because of all the ice and stuff. It's all soaked. But we're clearly, you know, that we were not the only ones to have that issue. But the sun is warm. The breeze is usually gentle and nice, and the battery is dying, and so I better hurry this up. We have a really nice campsite, and we're just kind of relaxing right now. The altitude got us a little bit with going uphill, but for the most part, the trail was pretty easy.
Yeah, right now we're at 11,014 feet.
Yeah.
So we had, it should have been a 1,000-foot climb, but really it was a 600-foot climb and 600-foot drop. A 600-foot climb.
I know.
600-foot drop. And we finally got back.
Yeah, we dropped down a ways before he ended up getting back up, and it took a while. But this is the first South Fork Lake, and it's just a great view and nice and peaceful. So we'll catch you later. So here at South Lake, it's cold. It is cold. It wouldn't be so bad if it weren't for the wind. But with the wind, I think it's probably dropping below 30. What do you think?
Probably. I don't know.
It is so cold. But it's nice to be out here. I'm gonna freeze ourselves getting out of here in the morning. I'm guessing that the tent's probably gonna have ice on it again.
Probably.
But we got the tent all dried out and we're in it now, so that helps with the temperature, thank God. Because it's just, it's cold. Anything to say, have you?
Nope.
Alrighty. We'll catch you at dinner. Okay, so it is currently 5:10, and we are in the tent getting ready for bed because it is bloody cold. How cold did we say it was, like an hour ago?
I think it was 20 degrees.
With wind chill or without?
With.
Yeah, it's it's cold.
All our electronics are having issues.
Oh yeah, the batteries and stuff have just been like, oh yeah, we're dead, when they shouldn't be at all. And this wind keeps kicking up, and I really hope we don't have this wind for the night, because I've been in tents with wind, and it's like sleeping in a potato chip bag, and me being a light sleeper, that does not do good things for me. Him, on the other hand, will probably sleep through it all.
Probably. I'll probably sleep better than last night because I won't have
me yelling at people to shut up.
Shut up! Turn your life off! Yeah, I'll probably sleep right through everything and wake up at like 6.
Yeah. Well, Lord knows we need the sleep. It is.
I'm already exhausted.
Yeah, well, that's altitude. I mean, even though it wasn't that hard of a trail, it's that altitude is what has just exhausted us. And
we made it to 11,014 feet.
Yeah, and I got a headache, and he has a headache, and oh, and I forgot to say, last night, I woke up like 3 or 4 times with slight nausea, which I was able to take care of but just by drinking a little bit of water, and it went away pretty quick, which is also altitude issues, but I'm not surprised. And so hopefully we're going to stay warm. Oh, and my battery's telling me it's going to die. So hopefully we'll stay warm, and hopefully I'll have batteries in the morning to shoot a video. So good night.